This is the Aniioki A8 Pro Max e-bike. It arrives in two boxes. One box has the bike, seat, and helmet, and the other box contains the mirrors, lock, headlight, pedals, blinkers, charger, safety vest, front wheel, and all the tools you need to build a bike. Let's start with the handlebars. Put on the spacers, carefully slide the handlebars onto the stem, install the red headset lock, and tighten the top bolt. Tighten the side bolts, and that's it. To secure the front brake line cables, unscrew the two screws on the fork and re-tighten the screws. For the front wheel, let's remove the shipping axle, slide the front wheel into the fork, tighten the spacer screws to the fork, and tighten the nuts on both sides of the axle. For the brakes, unscrew the two black screws, remove the red safety insert, attach the brake caliper to the bracket. Repeat this on both sides since the bike has dual front brakes. Also connect the motor cable and screw it into place. For the front headlight and blinkers, remove the two screws on the fork, attach the headlight bracket and tighten the bolts. Install the blinkers on each side of the bracket using the included nuts. Red connectors for the blinkers and green connectors for the headlight. For the pedals, the left pedal tightens left, counterclockwise, and the right pedal tightens right, clockwise. To turn on the bike, you press the power button and the battery, press the unlock button and the lightning button twice.
Aniioki.
Right here are all your controls. We have left blinker, we have blinker off, right blinker, and to turn on the headlight, we hold the plus button. And there you go, the headlight turns on. And right here you can switch from low beam to high beam. To switch between front wheel drive, rear wheel drive, and all wheel drive, we have this bicycle icon right here. You press the power button twice, and here it switches. Here's front wheel drive, press it again, all wheel drive, and press it again. And here we have rear wheel drive. And there you have it, your Aniioki A8 Pro Max is ready to ride.